Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this BMW Z3 M Roadster that you can see lurking behind me here. Very low mileage, this one, only 2 owners and just under 23,000 miles. Comes with a hard top as well. Anyway, 2 videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take a walk around this, I think it's 1998, this one, although it does come with the M3 plate. BMW Z3 M Roadster in silver. This one has got a blue factory hard top with it as well, although obviously it has got soft top, which if you refer to the photos on our website, you'll see both up and down. Only under 23,000 miles, which we warrant, and only 2 owners from new, and completely standard spec apart from an uprated exhaust system, and rather super. Just in really good shape all round, as you'd expect given the mileage, in fairness. But let's take a closer look at it, pick out some good bits and bad bits. Around the front end, minimal stone chipping, 1 or 2 minor chips just down on the front valance down there, but bonnet looks pretty good. Nothing I can really criticise on there. Sorry about the shadows, we've got a bit of a low sun here this morning. A couple of people have said those lights aren't standard, but I've got no information to the contrary, shall we say, so make your own mind up. Panel gap all good, wheels in good shape, side grills are all good. Have we got a little scratch just there? Yeah, there's a little scratch, just, it may come out actually, little scratch just there in the near side front wing, but probably with a good hard polish that'll come off, because I can't feel it with my fingernail. Screen, we have got a repaired chip just there, it's been injected. Looking at the passenger door, it's all good, apart from there are a couple of scratches just up here that are a bit too deep to polish out. There's one there, a couple more here, and a little tiny one just there. Inside, it's two-tone blue, or rather blue and black, and it's rather super in here. Full leather, passenger seats in good shape, all the centre console's nice, dash is nice, apart from there's a sticky bit just up there, which you can probably see on the video, just by the instrument binnacle. It's obviously had a phone or a sat nav or something up there, and it we can't get it off without scraping the plastic, so don't know what to do about that really. It's also got wind deflector behind the seats. Carrying on to the near side rear wing, it's all good around the arch. We have again got a couple of small scratches, just one there and one there, and a tiny chip just on the back of the near side rear valance, just along there. Boot lid is all good. What's that? There's a little scuff. Again, little scuff on the rear bumper corner, which may polish out, because once again I can't feel it with my fingernail, so that may polish out. Yeah, that's coming off. Just a little bit of dirt that we missed. Carrying on down the offside, all looks straight as a die down there. And again, offside arch and offside rear wheel looking pretty good. Offside door is all nice. Offside wing, all good as well. And then in here just as it should be. A little bit of scuffing on the edge of the driver's seat, but not massive, and it certainly hasn't gone through or anything. Just very nice. So there we have it. I rather like it. I hope you do as well. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com, for any more information.